Hi guys, welcome to my channel mathssl. I'm speaking Thaqib Latif. Today I'm going to show you how to factorize by grouping in pairs. Factorization by grouping in pairs. So I have a question here. 3ax minus 6bx plus 6ay minus 12by. First of all, put brackets around the pairs separated by a positive sign. Have a look. 3 3ax minus 6bx, first bracket, then I have to put positive sign in the middle. Now second bracket, 6ay minus 12by. So the first bracket and the last bracket, so you have to group in pairs, so the positive sign must be in the middle. Now factorize each term. Have a look here. So the common factor will be a 3, because 3 can divide by 3 and 6 also can divide by 3. So 3 is my common factor, and then I got x also common factor because both term x exist, so the x is common factor. Now to find out what remains inside the bracket, divide each of the original terms by highest common factor HCF. Have a look. 3ax. So 3x is our common factor. So I'm going to divide 3ax over 3x. 3 and 3 cancel, x and x cancel, only left a. So the a is gonna remain here. Minus, now 6bx divided by 3x. 6 divided by 3 is 2, x and x cancel, only left b, so the b left here. Now plus sign, and now 6 and 12. Between these two, 6 can divide by 6, 12 also can divide by 6. So 6 is common factor, and then I've got y common factor because y exists in this term as well as in second term, so 6y is common factor. Now we're busy with the second expression, second bracket. Now we left 6ay. Again we do the exact same thing. 6ay divided by 6y, cancel, only left a. Now minus 12 by divided by 6y. 12 divided by 6 is 2, y and y cancel, only left 2b. Okay, as well, here's 2b, sorry, 2b and the 2b. Now this procedure you must do on rough page or on the side of the page. Now I can see here, take out the common bracket. Now a negative 2b and a negative 2b, this is a common bracket. Take out the common bracket. A negative 2b, a negative 2b is a common bracket, so take out the common bracket. What left here now? 3x. A negative 2b is out, 3x left here, and this side a negative 2b is out, only left 6y. So this is my final answer. This is my second question. Ax minus 3ay minus bx plus 3by. Put brackets around the pairs separated by a positive sign. So obviously first bracket is going to be, this is my first bracket, ax minus 3ay, first two term. Now separated by positive sign, and this is my second expression, second bracket. First bracket, this is my second bracket, group in pairs. Now have a look here. The second bracket is, the first sign is negative. we modify the second expression by dividing each term by -1. So you're going to divide by -1. Only this second term, second bracket. Have a look. AX as is minus 3AY. Now, this one gonna divide by -1. So positive become negative, negative become positive, and this positive become negative. If you see is a positive sign here, then no problem. But if you see the negative sign, then you have to divide by -1. Now, factorize each term. So the A is common here. So what left inside now? X -3y. And now here negative. B is a common. What left inside? X -3y. Now take out the common bracket. So the common bracket is x -3y. So out this x -3y, what left the A? This side x -3y is out, what left the minus B. So this is my final answer. My third question is 3x power 3 plus 6x minus x square minus 2. Must remember there is a many ways to solve this type of question. I can rearrange this term. First I must write the higher degree power, which is x power 3, and then negative x power 2, then plus 6x minus 2. I can solve that way also, but I find easy way for you that you can group in pairs. You can use the positive sign in the middle, and first two term and then this last two term. So the equal to 3x power 3 plus 6x. This is going to be my first group, and then plus, now my second group, second bracket, minus x square minus 2. Now I can see here negative sign I have in second bracket first, so I have to divide by -1 this whole second expression, second bracket. So it's gonna be 3x power 3 plus 6x, and now second bracket divide by -1, positive become negative, and obviously this was negative become positive, and negative again become positive. Now from here, now I can factorize. Common factor is here 3 and x. So 3x is a common factor because 3 can divide by 3 and 6 also can divide by 3. And obviously x exists here and as well exists in second term. So now to find out what remains inside the bracket, divide each of the original term by common factor. So this is our common factor. So 3x power 3 divided by 3x. 3 and 3 cancel, and this x power 1 go up. So when you divide, the power must minus. So the x power 2 gonna be answer. So x power 2. Now plus 6x divided by 3x again. 6 divided by 3 is 2. X and x cancel. 2 left only. So it's gonna be 2. Now minus. From here I can see nothing common, only gonna be 1 out. So the x square plus 2 is there. Now after this we have to take out the common bracket. So x power 2 plus 2, this is the common factor, common bracket. X power 2 plus 2 is common bracket is out. So this is out, what left there? 3x minus this is out, what left there? Only 1, because x power 2 plus 2, if you divide by x power 2 plus 2, all gonna cancel, only answer gonna be 1. So that's why this is my final answer. So 3x minus 1. This is my question number 4. 4ax minus 4bx plus 6ay minus 6by. Now First of all, I need to group in pairs. So the first bracket 4ax minus 4bx and separated by a positive sign. And the second bracket 6ay minus 6by. Now I can see I don't need to modify y because my second bracket, the first term, the sign is positive, so I don't need to modify. Now here 4x is my common factor, so what left there? A, because 4x is out, 4x is out, minus by left, plus here 6y is common factor. What left inside? A. 6y is out, A left, minus 6y is out, what left there? B. Now, so now we need to take out the common bracket, which is A negative B. This is my common bracket because in the middle is positive sign, so we have two expressions. Now, what left there? 4x plus what left there? 6y, because A negative B is out, 6y only left. So this is my final answer. This is my question number 5. Ax minus bx minus a plus b. So obviously first I need to put brackets around the pairs separated by a positive sign. So this is going to be my first bracket, ax minus bx and separated by positive sign, and this is going to be my second bracket. Now I can see in second bracket the first term coefficient is negative, so that's why I have to divide by -1. I need to modify this second bracket. So the ax minus bx. Now, so if you divide by -1 whole term, so it's going to be positive become negative, and this negative become positive, positive become negative. Now here, after this we can factorize. So the common factor here is going to be x, because both term have x. So what left there? X is out, only left a. X is out, what left? Negative b. Minus a, negative b. And now take out the common bracket, which is a, negative b. So what left there? X, because a negative b is out, and this a negative b is out, minus only 1 left. How? Because a negative b divided by a negative b all cancel out, only left 1. We only left with 1. So this is my question number 6. X power 3 minus 5x minus 2x power 2 plus 10. Put brackets around the pairs separated by a positive sign. So I'm going to group them in pairs. So my first bracket going to be x power 3 minus 5x. Now separated by a positive sign, and my second bracket will be negative 2x squared plus 10. Now I can see in my second bracket the negative sign, the first term coefficient is negative, so the whole term I must divide by -1. I need to modify. So the first bracket I'm going to write as is x power 3 minus 5x, and then this whole second bracket I must divide by -1, so positive become negative, and the negative become positive, again positive become negative. Positive divided by negative will be negative, negative divided by negative going to be positive, positive divided by negative going to be a negative. Two different sign is negative, two same sign is positive. Right, now factorize. Take out the common factor, and x is common factor in first bracket, so x power 3. Now, to find out what remains inside the bracket, divide each of the original term by common factor. So x power 3 divided by x. So obviously this x power 1, you have to minus from the x power 3. So we're using the exponents law. So obviously when you divide, the power must minus, so x power 2. So only left x power 2 here. Next is minus 5x, divide by the x and x cancel, only left 5. So then I put the 5 here. Now here negative. Now 2 is a common here. So the what left inside the x power 2, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. Negative, right, 10 divided by 2 become 5. Now take out the common bracket x power 2 minus 5. This is a common bracket x power 2 minus 5, because both of these terms exist x power 2 minus 5. So what left there? Power 2 minus 5 is out, only left x minus x power 2 minus 5 is out, so only left 2. So this is my final question, last question for regarding factorization involving grouping in pairs. So now, first of all, put brackets around the pairs separated by a positive sign. So I'm going to group in pairs. So that my first bracket going to be a power 3 plus 3ab power 2. Now, so separated by a positive sign, and the second bracket will be minus 3a power 2b minus 9b power 3. Have a look. So second bracket, my coefficient of the first term is negative, which is this one, negative 3. So I'm going to divide this whole term by negative 1. Divide by negative 1. Have a look. So this is a power 3. I'm going to leave just as is, and 3a b power 2, because I need to modify this one in order to factorize them. Now, so positive become negative because you're going to divide by negative 1. So then negative become positive, and again negative become a positive. Now, so now we're going to factorize. So if you factorize here, a is a common factor, and what left the a power 2 plus 3b power 2. Right, now obviously minus, so what is common here? 3 is a common. Why? Because 3 can divide by 3 and 9 also can divide by 3. So 3 is my common factor, and then what else can be my common factor here? Is going to be b, because both of these term, the b exist. So what left there? So 3. Obviously, to find out what remains inside the bracket, divide each of the original term by common factor. So 3a power 2 and b divided by 3b, cancel, only a power 2 left, so the a power 2 plus. Now 9b power 3 over 3b is cancelled, and this b power must minus from the top, b power 2 left. So this is going to be a 3b power, 3p power 2, 3p power 2. When you see both these like terms, then you can see you're going on right track. So now a power 2 plus 3b power 2, this is a common bracket you have to take out. A power 2 plus 3b power 2. What left here? This is out, only left a minus. This is out, what left there? 3b. This is my final answer. Please like and subscribe my channel. If you have any question, comment below. I will assist you. Have a nice day.